We are very much focused on the candidate we have. Na juzi kwa mitandao tu tulimesha tu jina yake moja. Tukasikia tissue state house imeisha. Watu wanaingia kwa choo kwa. We have identified Matiangi as a Gen Z. We have identified Matiangi and going forward with the powers invested on me by the powers that be. I have declared one Matiangi, Okengo Matiangi, as a person who is inspiring the nation, someone who has been tested. Mulikuwa mnauliza ati hatuna formula. We have it. I have announced, and that's the road we are going to follow. Sababu, we cannot be allowing suckers. Status is a house of deeds. Kama Gachagua mlichukulia interview yake serious, you should be very worried. Ya kwamba even our head of state is nini and support a militia group in Sudan. That sasa hii ni nchi gani? He is smuggling gold. There is wash. Sasa tunauliza jamii. There's root of serious selling a country. This country needs true inspiration. Wacha niwapea example moja. Wenye mlipitia high school, kulikuwa na day school haina hata fence. Na kulikuwa na shule nyingine fence mpaka ni ya mawe. But unapata the shule yenye iko na fence, kuna drugs na sneaking, watoto wana sneaking, no man of criminalization. Na kuna shule hata haina fence, but because the headmaster is a serious person, akisema watu wanafuata, hakuna mtu anatoka. So we have seen the current government, we have lost hope in it as a young nation. We have no faith. The level of patriotism is very low. So mmeuliza aje Gen Z mko aje? Kwa mtandao jana tutuka type jina yake Matiangi peke yake. And now you are not afraid. We are going to campaign for Okengo Matiangi in bars, in churches, in mosques, on streets, in markets, everywhere. Hiyo ni Jevanjee Gen Z declaration. Okengo Matiangi. Why? He has been proven. Na hajakuja sijui bwana mnasuka. Na siku watafika hata nyinyi mtajua. Hii town itakuwa start Steve. Because at Gen Z we can see. Mlikuwa mnasema tunataka mtu ataka 2025. No, we have identified a senior citizen who is serious. And we are very much aware of imposters that this regime is planting. One headed by Maraga. Maraga, you are just an imposter. You want to divide the nation. You want to divide the vote, but Gen Z tumechapua masomo tumeona. And I want to leave you with this quote. There's this famous quote. There will come a time in this nation that no one will escape the changes about to happen in this country. No one will escape the changes which is about to happen in this country. Where accountability, transparency will be at the end of the day. We have entertained nonsense for too long. We have entertained bullshit for too long. There's no way a cartel of groups can just be congregating at dark corners just to cut deals. We have entertained nonsense for long, and let me tell you, there's a leadership that is coming, inspired by accountability, transparency, which is backed by the Gen Z. Because you cannot gamble with our future at all. We are tired. So, Gen Z Jevanjee declaration, by the powers that have been invested on me, by the powers that be, I declare Okengo Matiangi as the flag bearer of Gen Z presidential candidate 2027. I rest my case.